banned. So I think the next one would be Cage.Fun. So basically, Cage.Fun also the new portfolio. They are not within our incubation program, but let's say latest portfolio company. I hope you guys are here. I think I see you already.
A few moments later.
All right, great. All right, so as I said, my name is Daniel, and thank you everyone for participating. I'm here to introduce to you Cage.Fun, the ultimate DeFi battle arena, where our participants and users can train, trade, earn, and accumulate fame. Trade.Fun is essentially a agentic platform where our users can generate multiple AI agents in the virtual form of warrior avatars. The objective is to get our users to make multiple users, and they're not limited, and to combat them one another with their capabilities of trading and optimizing and learning by AI tools. Our system allows our users to train their agents in a dojo-like atmosphere where they can optimize the agents and feed them data sources in order to enrich their strategic capabilities, in order to enrich them in comparison to their opponents. The objective is to have multiple users and create multiple agents and engage in a battle arena where each one battles for victory in the form of profitable P&Ls. On top of that, our system allows our users to. There's two types of users that we allow that we host. Is basically the creators and the fans. So the creators are the ones who create the AI agents, and then we have the participants, the fans that are participating in a prediction market pool. Essentially, they can follow their supporting avatars that they are interested in, and they can build a community surrounding them. The beautiful part about the Cage.Fun avatars is they make the users and the creators anonymously famous. So essentially, we're going back to the good old days of blockchain, of security and censorship, where we can be a step aside from the fame of our avatars and allow them to take the front screen and gain the popularity. Each one of the successful phases that happen in our ecosystem is linked to social media and is advertised, and in order to bring in additional users and community support. As we know, there is a growing and immense interest from major institutions when it comes to the DeFi landscape. And we know that there's various, There's various opportunity in this space, but what we haven't seen been done till today is the correlation and the combination between Web3 gaming, AI, and agentic trading. Once we bring all of these elements into one platform and we can create an entertainment engagement and mass exposure through social media, we can potentially reach what other agentic trading systems that were introduced in the past, but without the gamifying element, such as virtual, that at all-time high reached 5 billion, we can aim to these kinds of market caps. Monetization. Our monetization is coming from various elements in our platform, which are, of course, platform fees, trading fees, AI agent battles, and premium features. In various time and layers of our introductory to the product, which has the first layer of it in POC is going to be introduced before the end of the first quarter. And we're going to be able to see key features and AI elements of data resourcing in order to engage in prediction markets. And we're going to be able to see through that monetization a small glimpse of the accumulating fees of the agent trading, agent training, and swapping, selling, and prediction pool market that comes all in together into one space. The phase 2 of the project is going to introduce additional features into our AI agents, which is obviously copy trading elements, optimization by curve learning through other AI agents and false and error mistakes that happen, optimization on errors and success based on engagements in battlegrounds. On top of that, we're going to have a strategy backtesting. And at the final stage, we're going to be able to do multi-dex routing. Basically, we're going to be agnostic to the chain, and we're going to be able to run cross-chain with our agents. The tokenomics and our revenue stream is coming from the spend and earn element. You're going to have to spend in order to engage with your agent and educate him while optimizing him on social media and giving him additional coverage. On top of that, we're going to have a income generating system for our Cage users, which are allowing them to earn from the battles, earn from their community, and earn from the prediction market that's going to follow through on their internal and to their wider screen, wider verge social presence. So the more people engage with their agents, the more they'll have higher exposure, and the more higher exposure, higher contribution from their own community. Our tokenomics is mainly focused on our community. The idea is to have the community join us with their airdrop and to have more use cases and optimization through our test environment, which is going to happen into the dojo in the area of our POC, which is introduced very soon. And then we have our backers and the team that we're living to the minimum. We can get more into depth on the tokenomics and the potential profit with us in a more deeper conversation right after the presentation. Regarding our team, so about myself, Daniel, I'm coming from BNC. It's basically a smart contract financial ecosystem that provides credit scoring and loading protocols on e-money licensed institution. Been into the crypto space since 2016. Our team is also built with Alex, which is coming from Twilo and from XP Network, which is leading in AI and Web3 development and product. We have Hernan, which is AI Web3 specialist in product design and implementation. And then we come into the more business side of things. We have a very good name, Stasoskin, which is supporting us on the whole infrastructure with the full support of Potem Network, Liquid Swap, Lumio, and of course, the great support of Web3X and SafePress. On the tech side, we also have Ruby, which is giving us full tech support, co-founder of XP Network, which is also in on the project with us, and deep support. When we're talking about the roadmap, we're just going to keep it a bit of high level. By the end of Q3, we want to do our IDO and the first POC, which is coming, as I said, in the next few days. Agent social integration, we're looking to do our TGE somewhere in the first week of the second quarter. And the main end game is to get to the end of the year with a massive event for World Championship of agentic traders that combat each other in a visual form. Obviously, one of the key perks that is going to happen is that everything that we're going to see happening in our platform is going to be delivered in a virtual in a video form, in a virtual manner with the agents combating them each other, and it's going to be a thrill. So if we've seen anything that's happening in the meme culture or in the NFT background, where we've seen the figurines come to life in the first time, in the first manner, in the first way that generates revenue like nothing other that's been done before. We're currently in our seed round. We're raising 500,000 out of a total raise of 5 million, where the private round afterwards is going to be 2.5, and our public raise is going to be 2 million. So thank you very much for tuning in. You can see our socials and information here. For additional information, please follow through and contact us. Eric and the Web3X team, thank you very much for hosting us, and everybody have a great day.
Thank you very much, Daniel.